G'day. In this video, we're going to look at how to get a magnetic bearing from your map. Okay, this is useful when planning your route. Okay, and we need to know what bearing to follow to get from one point to the next. Alright, on this map, I've planned out that I want to travel from YABB 25 to YABB 12. Okay, before doing anything, I can notice that with my map orientated, okay, north up, this is in a northeasterly direction. Okay, approximately 030. Okay, that's just a guess. The reason I do this is because once I've done the compass calculation, okay, if the compass says something totally different to a northeast bearing, then I know I've done something wrong and I can do my compass calculation again. Okay, so step number one is to place our compass on our map, okay, nice and flat. So our directional arrow, okay, is pointing in the same direction that we want to travel. Okay, it's going to the northeast. Our route is to the northeast. The edge of the compass is lined up along our route. The next step is to turn our turret. So our orientation lines on the bottom of our turret line up with the eastern grid lines on the bottom of our map. Okay. Grid lines on our map and the orientation lines on the bottom of our base plate. Okay, next step is to take off your compass. We have now obtained a grid bearing from our map. But before we follow this bearing, okay, because now we're using a magnetic compass, okay, we need to account for magnetic variation. Okay, this is the difference between the Earth's magnetic field and true north or grid north on our map. All right, all we have to do in New South Wales when we go from grid to magnetic is to take off 12. So here I've got a bearing of 028. 028 minus 12 is 016. So I'm just going to turn my turret until I've got 016 lined up with my index. Now all I need to do is hold the compass flat, rotate my body with the directional arrow pointing away from me until my red magnetic needle lines up with my red orienting arrow. Okay, this is going to give me the direction I need to walk to get from my point 25 to my point 12.